Isang balita nga mula sa Australia ang ngayon ay kumakalat sa social media. Ito ay galing sa isang netizen kung saan nagsalita ito hinggil sa mga naging statement ni Carlos Yulo kamakailan lamang sa video kasama ang girlfriend about sa naging pahayag o interview ng kanyang inang si Mrs. Angelica Yulo. Simula ng nasabing netizen from Dolly Modo Ridings Facebook page. Sabi ni Dolly Modo Ridings Facebook page, not good news here in Australia on Carlos Yulo and his mom family issues such as the write-ups below. Gold medalist ugly fallout with mother. Carlos Yulo had 2 golden moments at the Paris Games, but his personal life isn't shining as brightly as those Olympic medals. The Filipino 24 pointed the finger at his mother, Angelica Yulo, following his Olympic outings for allegedly embezzling the gymnast out of his prize money. Dating back to the 2022 World Artistic Gymnastics Championships, there is also a feud between his mother and his model girlfriend, Chloe Angele San Jose. My mother had access to my accounts and my monthly sports allowance, Carlos said on TikTok. My mother had access to my accounts and my monthly sports allowance. When I finally got control of my accounts, I found out that she had taken money out. Yulo claimed he had statements that exposed Angelica's withdrawals. Adding to the calamity, Angelica apparently despised Carlos' girlfriend. Ever since the beginning, she didn't like Chloe even though she hadn't met or seen her in person. Our relationship worsened when I started setting boundaries, stood up for Chloe because I like her. So when it was time to celebrate Yulo for tripling the Philippines' medal count from 1 to 3 and being the first Filipino male to climb the podium, Angelica was fittingly absent. Chloe and I grew up in different environment, Yulo explained. Chloe grew up in Australia and that's the culture she knows. It's very different from how we move, talk, and dress. A few eye-catching gifts include a $414,000 3-bedroom condo and a voucher worth $20,000 for department store. With everything's that been spiraling around between Yulo's stunning showings and Angelica getting called out, the mother was forced to muster up an apology. The money was given to me, Angelica claimed per The Sun. As a mother, I was worried that my child might have financial problems in the future, so I invested it under my name. Reportedly, Yulo's mother sprinkled some sweet words into her message. So I am sorry, I understand some may think I am only speaking now because of your success, Angelica said. I ask for your forgiveness as a concerned mother. You are mature enough to make your own decisions. Our door is always open, regardless of your financial status. I can take back my words, but you, Father, and I are ready to talk with understanding whenever you're ready to come home and resolve this with the New York Post. So ayon nga doon sa Facebook page, hindi nga daw magandang balita iyon, lalo na sa Australia. Anyway, napunta na nga sa Australia at sa New York ang nasabing issue. So sabi nga ng isang netizen, may iba't ibang klase ng pamilya. Merong susuportahan ka, meron ding hihila sa'yo pababa pag nasa taas ka na. Too bad napunta siya sa ganyang klaseng pamilya. Yung news sana positive naging negative na dahil sa issue na dapat privately inaayos. Well, sana magkaayos na talaga silang pamilya. Yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Thank you for watching. Images are already to the rightful owners.